Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your code limit has been reached. You have already redeemed the maximum number of these codes per Apple account. If you have used multiple free trials on your Apple ID for your Apple Music and now you are getting this problem and you are unable to get a new free trials on your Apple ID for your Apple Music, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the first way to get the free trial again is that you have to simply create a new Apple ID to get the free trial again on your Apple ID. So guys, if you have used multiple free trials on your Apple ID, then you have to simply create a new Apple ID, and after this you will be able to get free trials again on your new Apple ID. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply sign out your current Apple account from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply sign in with a new account. So guys, you can use any other account to get the free trial again. So guys, this is the second way, and the third way is that you have to simply add a valid credit or debit card or PayPal to the new account to satisfy promotional requirements, and you can get the promotional trial again. So guys, after this there is another option as well. You can use a different device to get the new trials for your Apple ID again. So guys, use a different device and check whether you are able to get free trials again or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply wait for 5 to 7 days to get the trial again if the period is over. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.